Prefer and would rather.
Would you like to have tea?
I would prefer to have coffee. Actually, I always prefer coffee to tea.
You do, but I prefer having tea rather than having coffee. What you do like to have, Ruma? I don't like either. I prefer to have a glass of cold milk rather than having either tea or coffee.
I hate milk. I would rather not drink anything than have milk.
In the dialogues, Pratima, Sagar and Ruma have used prefer and would rather to show preferences. Here are examples of such sentences. I would prefer to have coffee. Actually, I always prefer coffee to tea. But I prefer having tea rather than having coffee. I prefer to have a glass of cold milk rather than have either tea or coffee. I would rather not drink anything than have milk. Definition: either ing or to with infinitive can be used after prefer. However, there is a difference in the sentence structure in both the cases. However, would prefer is usually followed by to and infinitive. Would rather is followed by infinitive without to. In meaning, it is the same as would prefer to. Let us look at a few sentences. Jagrati prefers to go to school rather than stay at home. Hussain prefers cooking his own meal rather than ordering from any food joint. Usha would rather sleep for just half an hour during daytime than not sleep at all. In the first sentence, prefers is followed by to and infinitive go. It shows preference. In the second sentence, prefers is followed by cooking and shows preference. In the third sentence, would rather is followed by infinitive sleep without to. It means the same as would prefer to. Here are few more examples of use of prefer and would rather. Tarun prefers watching television rather than sleeping when free. Shivam prefers to study for some time every day rather than study continuously for the whole day just before the exams. I would rather wait for my car than travel by metro.